So yeah, YouTube. So this upcoming video, 3 Chinese saws. So the first one you'll see is it's the submix. It's a 54.5 cc saw. Base gasket deleted. Increase the port height to compensate for that. The second saw is a stock Radley home hardware. That's 52 cc, which is actually 49.3 cc's. And then the third saw is the Beijing Banshee, running at 45 cc's with a mild port job and gasket delete. Enjoy the video. I finally got time to cut. The neighbors moved, so the house is currently vacant, so I don't mind making a little bit of noise after work. But anyways, enjoy the video. See you later. And please like and subscribe if you've already subscribed. Thank you very much. Take her easy.